This is a cute outfit I put together. I got these shoes from a seller to try them out. And so this is what this is the vibe I went with. These are the cutest little shoes. They're a tiny little wedge. I'm gonna slip it off so I can show you. They're a little wedge. They have a rubber sole. You can see the wedge kind of narrows. And you can see it's only about 3/4 of an inch maybe. It's got a cute little ankle strap and a pointed toe, and it's super comfortable. I don't know if you can see just the squish that is in here. It's like got memory foam in there. And they fasten up with a bag zipper, and they don't go anywhere. So I'm clumsy. And so walking in heels is difficult. Walking in flip-flops is difficult. So these are, well, let me back up so you can see. These go on really easy. And they just zip up. And they stay on when you're walking. You don't have to squint your toes like you do with flip-flops or anything. They just go with you. And super comfortable. I was a little worried about the narrow heel, but they're great. They feel stable. Anyway, so this is the outfit. I put together sort of a casual outfit with it. These are the Levi's wedgies. They are a 26-27, so 26 waist, and then they're a 27 inseam. So I'm usually a 29 inseam, and so you can see these are a little cropped. They're cute. The wedgies are awesome. You can see why they're called wedgies. They're comfortable. Cute little belt, and this square neck sort of ruffle, poofy sleeve shirt. And I thought this would be a cute, maybe business casual outfit if you tossed on a little blazer. Look how cute those shoes do. They just make it a bit dressier. I mean, you could wear this with sneakers and that would be adorable. But if you just wanted a little dressier look and comfortable, these are a great choice. They come in like 3 different colors, I think, a white and a bone and a black. So all neutrals, perfect for, you know, anything you want to pair it with. And then you have a great, you know, sort of dressy casual outfit. You could wear these with, you could go with trousers, or a long denim skirt would be really cute too. Anything that kind of, I think, shows that strap. I think that strap is a cute feature. So anyway, super cute. Wanted to share with you. I'll link it all here so that you can shop. Check out these shoes. Terrific. Love them.